This is our BEJ1 series meat grinder. We have number 8, number 12, number 22, and number 32 for size for your choice. It's made of high-quality stainless steel material. The meat pan is made of 304 stainless steel. It is our luxury meat grinder, grinding all kinds of meat, vegetable, and sauce. Usually one machine with one knife, one coarse plate, one fine plate, and one stuffing plate. These knives are made of high quality 420 stainless steel material. If attached sausage tubes, it will become an electric sausage stuffer machine. Can be attached to our BEJ1 series meat grinder, then become electric meat mixer.
This is Italy-style meat grinder. As you can see, the grinding speed is very fast. Number 12 size grind about 200 meat per hour. Number 32 size grind about 500 meat per hour. This is a high-end home-use meat grinder. It can grind about 15 pounds of meat per hour. It's made of stainless steel material, equipped with overload protection and waterproof switch.